Hey everybody, it's Janelle here. I'm popping on to my socials to do a little midweek check-in and kind of like share with you guys an experience that I had a couple of days ago. It's my first time having a Vedic astrology reading, and it was really potent. The person who did it was our friend Olga Mixon. She was actually one of the original teachers here, rolling out mastery courses in 2020 when we were releasing them in the space. And it was really cool to reconnect with her and to get this type of reading done. So I've had my astrology read in, the 12 sign astrology, and the Vedic astrology is pretty cool. There was a lot of very accurate time periods that Olga was able to describe, things that actually happened to me, which gave me greater confidence in the things that were sort of being foretold by the birth chart. So she went really deep. There were things that she had described as far as my past life lessons that I have been brought into this world to share, that really validate like some of the things that are just inexplicably drive me to do the things that I do, like, wanting to serve the community, wanting to be a teacher, me stepping into healing work. Also things that are patterns of behavior that I'm here to break as well, in terms of like the way that I communicate, how I can be like very aggressive when it comes to like the way that I communicate. Also the way that I feel enslaved by my work sometimes, because I feel that the harder that I work, the more self-worth that I feel. That was all explained in the way that my planets were placed, and I just found it very validating. There were also things that she validated about past life experiences showing up in this lifetime that I've actually been able to personally validate within my Akashic records. So she's the real deal, guys. And there was such an interesting sort of like driving force behind the time period that she was talking about right now in my birth chart, and it had to do with writing. And she's like, "You're right. You write a lot, and it might be a book." And so I'm like sitting here thinking like, well, this is what all these curriculums are, maybe, you know what I mean? And so I would highly recommend her. Basically, bottom line is what I'm trying to say, in order to sort of like get an understanding of your life path. It's like imprinted in your birth chart. So if you guys are interested, she's also probably going to be teaching a workshop next year here at KIN, but really book her for a reading, guys.